Good morning, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So I got a video to go over that talks about that Coinpal partnership with Kaspa. And just remember, don't rely fully on technical analysis because fundamentals are more important than the technical, right? So like if Binance listed Kaspa, the price would soar. So it has nothing to do with the technicals. It's just the fundamentals of the Kaspa and the applications, right? So if you're here for the long ride, Casper's going to come back. Don't panic. Don't freak out. Don't listen to this FUD and don't sell out all your Casper, right? Because if you look, once we get to the numbers, you see it's coming back up. And like I mentioned, I think it was 0038. It will bounce back. But let's look at the numbers and then we'll get to that video. Remember, Casper, Casper, Casper. Let's go. So here you see for the last hour, Kaspa's up 2.4%. For the day, it's down 1.7. For the week, it's down 16.2%. For the month, it's up 40.6%. And for the year, it's up 1,692. And if you notice, there's nothing else up 1,000%. I'm just saying, don't count Kaspa out, right? So we'll look at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap saying it's down 3.97% for the day. Market cap is 805 million, down 3.93. 24-hour volume is 27 million. That's up 49.81%. Volume versus market cap is 3.41, and circulating supply is 20 billion. Total supply is 20 billion. Max supply is 28.7, and fully diluted is 1.1 million. Let me open this up real quick. Got to pick this guy up. So edit that out. So Live Coin Watch is saying total market cap is 810 million. That's down. I think it was like 900 million and a billion. Volume is 26.3 million. Volume versus cap is 3.25, and all-time high is 0.051. So for the last hour, it's up 2.22%. Last 24 hours is down 5.39%. Last 7 days is down 15.49%. Last 30 days, it's up 34.81%. Last 90 days, it's up 105%. And for the year, it's up 3,840. Circulating supply is 20.1 billion. Total supply is 20.1 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion, and market cap is 810 million. 24-hour range is 9.95%. 24-hour low is 0.0383, and 24-hour high is 0.0425. And I was looking for okay. So this was saying if we break down support to 0.039, and rock bottom would be 0.035. So we'll look at that when we get to the charts in a second. So CoinGecko says we're dropped down to 52. We're at 47, 46 range, and it's 0.0402, down 5%. Bitcoin is down 5.5%. Market cap is 803 million. 24-hour trading volume is 17 million. Fully diluted valuation is 1.1 billion. Circulating supply is 20.1 billion. Total supply is 20.1 billion. Max supply is 28.7 billion. And if we look at the Block Explorer, current supply is 20.6 billion. TPS is 4.2 and BPS is 1.4. TPS is 5.6 is transactions per second, and 1.4 is blocks per second. Petahash is hash rate is 8.4 petahash. Percent mined is 69.54. The next reduction is 22 days down to 175 cash per block reward. They're saying latest price is 0.039. So it is coming up. Trading volume is 27.3 million. Market cap is 805 million. And they're listing in at 209. So we'll look at the top addresses real quick, then we'll flip to the video. So if you see here, top addresses just went down. I think it was 16 or 15%. Now it's down to 14.7%. Top 100 addresses is 33.4%. And the top 1,000 is 60.5%. And we can see still no Aquaman. Humpbacks is 9. Whales is 216. Sharks is 2,638. And dolphins is 12,000. And fish are 42,000. So if we see, looking for addresses. So still KuCoin, Gate.io, Mex, CoinX, BitGet, and Rust Fund. So we need to figure out what this guy is, number 4 and 6. Not sure if these are exchanges or if someone's buying it up to list on the exchange, but we'll check that out later. And let me run this video real quick where these guys are talking about, this is Mr. Key Crypto, and he's talking about that Coinpal partnership. Let's see what he has to say.
A well-known cryptocurrency exchange and fintech company recently made a groundbreaking announcement. They are launching a revolutionary crypto debit card that will support the new Kaspa currency. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies continues to grow, there is a pressing need for seamless integration into everyday transactions. This need is met by the Coinpal debit card, bridging the gap between crypto and fiat currencies. Now, let's talk about how this debit card works. First, it's important to note that this is not a sponsored partnership, but rather a collaboration with Kaspa. So, if you're wondering, no, I'm not sponsored, and I don't accept sponsorships. Next, once a user's application is approved, they can link their Kaspa wallet to their debit card through the Coinpal platform. This integration allows users to access and manage through its strong infrastructure. Coinpal makes sure that users' crypto assets are safe and secure. Now, let's talk about currency conversion and transaction processing. When a cardholder uses their Coinpal debit card to make a purchase, the currency conversion happens in real time. For example, if a user's Kaspa wallet has Kaspa tokens, but they want to make a purchase in a traditional fiat currency like USD or Euro, Coinpal's debit card will convert the necessary amount of Kaspa tokens into the corresponding fiat value at the current exchange rate. With this debit card integration, Kaspa is even more useful as a peer-to-peer payment system. As more and more people use Kaspa and its partnerships, it's clear that it has a lot of promise for mass adoption. When talking about mass adoption, it's important to remember that new projects like Kaspa need time to fully develop and show what they can do. Some people may have questions or concerns about Kaspa's present state. It's important to remember that partnerships like the one with Coinpal have real value and show great promise for the future. As we imagine mass adoption, we can imagine cross-border payments, widespread use in everyday situations, and even becoming a reserve currency. We are seeing the steady progress toward a future in which Web 3.0 or blockchain technology becomes an important part of our lives. These changes open the door for wider use, mainstream adoption, and a truly decentralized future. If you've been keeping an eye on Kaspa and waiting for the right time to get involved, now might be a good time, even if it seems to be stabilizing or going through small changes. It's important to have a long-term vision and think about things like cross-border transactions, using crypto in everyday life, and using decentralized apps. These are the building blocks of mass adoption, and Kaspa seems to be on the right track. In conclusion, the launch of Coinpal's crypto debit card that supports Kaspa is a big deal for both Kaspa and the crypto market as a whole. This kind of integration and utility brings us one step closer to mass adoption. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that makes it possible to make smart contracts and other apps that don't need a central server. Its original currency, Ether-F, is used to run smart contracts and power the Ethereum network and dApps. Due to its role as a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed the way we think about and use digital contracts, decentralized applications, and even initial coin offers to raise money. The impact of Ethereum has led to innovation and inspired a lot of other projects to build on its foundation, which has helped the crypto space grow and improve as a whole. The blockchain technology behind Ethereum is the basis for many of the applications and projects in its ecosystem. Developers can use Ethereum's smart contract feature to build decentralized applications that are open, tamper-proof, and run on their own. This natural area encourages new ideas in areas like open non-fungible coins and finance NFTs. One of the most important ways that Ethereum can be used is for open supply chain management, identity verification, and many other things. Money and finances. DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer financial services like loans, borrowing, yield farming, and more. Decentralized exchanges and the development of fake assets as people look for decentralized alternatives to standard financial systems. The growth of DeFi has made Ethereum more important and used. Because of what Ethereum can do, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have become more popular. NFTs have become very popular in areas like digital art, games, collectibles, and intellectual property rights. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT development and transactions because it is compatible and reliable. As Ethereum continues to change, its future looks very promising. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the crypto community because it could open up even more opportunities for Ethereum's growth and use. Its current value of $1,920 and intriguing nature make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Ethereum's importance in the crypto community can't be overstated, as its strong ecosystem serves as a catalyst for innovation and decentralization. Ethereum is used in many areas, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are shaping the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum continues to develop its powerful technology, it will continue to change the world. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, Different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians.
So as you can see, there's definitely useful applications for Kaspa. Only reason I played the end of the video because they were talking about Kaspa and Bitcoin. Only reason I played the end of the video because they're talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin can rise, as if they're saying it, or be more useful, that only helps Kaspa, right? If Kaspa will be the silver to Bitcoin's gold, we want more applications and more usefulness with Bitcoin so Kaspa can pick up some of the slack or some of the transaction process. So remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Don't give up yet, right? It's kind of rough, but I think it's going to come on back. So with the 4-hour chart here, you can see this is 0.038. And I mentioned as long as we stay above 0.035, where's 35 at? So keep an eye out for, oh, wow, here. Let's look at the day chart. It broke through the 3.9, and the next is this 0.035. But it does, if it can bounce back up and it pushes through that 0.040, we'll see right here will be the next. If it can push back up to here, and then if it ever gets to this 0.048, that means it's going to break the ABC pattern, and then it's to the moon. Maybe not to the moon, but it's going to jump. So with the Coinpal process, and if somebody listed like Coinbase, what are you doing? So yes, if we were to get listed on Kraken, Crypto.com, Gemini, Binance, or Coinbase, the price would definitely go up, right? So it's not quite over yet. And if I was you, I would look to DCA on buying the dip. Since the price is down, this would be a good time to pick some up. It came down for us to pick it up. But I wouldn't sell everything to buy it. I would just buy it in reasonable amounts in case it continues to slide. But definitely DCA in. And check the previous video I had about the Coinbase effect, right? And I did see somewhere I was going to make a video. I had a link, but my computer restarted, so I lost it. But I had a link where it had price predictions. So I'll see if I can get that video out today. Someone actually wanted to check about Vertcoin. So I'll make the Vertcoin video first. Then I'll circle back with the Kaspa video. But let me know what you think in the comments. The video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Don't give up, guys. Just continue to hold. And this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Let's get back to the money.